Today, we're going to cover an important topic: AWS CodeCommit. When working on any project, one of the most critical practices is ensuring that all the files, code, and resources we create are properly stored in a centralized repository. This allows teams to collaborate effectively, track changes, and maintain a reliable version history of the project. AWS provides a fully managed Git-compatible service called AWS CodeCommit. CodeCommit offers a secure, scalable, and fully managed environment for hosting private Git repositories. It eliminates the need to manage your own source control infrastructure while still giving you all the standard Git capabilities. Exploring CodeCommit. As you can see on the screen, when we navigate to CodeCommit in the AWS console, we land on the repository's dashboard. Here we can 1. Create and manage repositories. 2. View commits and track changes. 3. Manage branches and tags. 4. Configure repository settings. Additionally, CodeCommit integrates seamlessly with other AWS services, allowing you to build CI/CD pipelines using tools like AWS CodeBuild and AWS Code Pipeline. Creating a repository. Let's go ahead and create a new repository. For this demo, I'll create one called Code Demo. We don't need to add tags or reviewers right now, so I'll proceed and create the repository. Once created, we now have a fully functional Git repository hosted in AWS. Accessing the repository. After the repository is created, AWS provides multiple ways to connect to it. There are two main access methods: HTTPS, SSH. If we choose HTTPS, AWS provides us with a repository URL that we can use to clone the repo locally. If we choose SSH, we can connect securely using SSH keys. Authentication and permissions. To access CodeCommit, we need an IAM user with the appropriate permissions. At a minimum, the user should have CodeCommit access permissions, such as CodeCommit full access. In some cases, users may have broader permissions like administrator access, but that is not required. For authentication, HTTPS access typically uses Git credentials tied to the IAM user. SSH access requires a public SSH key in the user's security credentials. Once configured, the user can securely interact with the repository, cloning, pushing, and pulling code as needed. Summary. In summary, AWS CodeCommit provides a fully managed Git repository service, secure and scalable infrastructure, integration with AWS CI/CD tools, multiple access methods, HTTPS and SSH. It gives us everything we need to manage our source code efficiently without worrying about infrastructure.